Welcome back to Rising. Check this out. She showcased eyeballs of steel. TikToker Isabella Barbosa is impressing viewers after mastering the art of sneezing with her eyes open. Now, she says that she wanted to disprove the old wives' tale that sneezing with your eyes open can cause your eyeballs to pop out of your head, adding that the fear of driving, sneezing, and crashing her car also pushed her to learn. Now, she says that she didn't do any training to learn. She just tried best to know to just keep her eyes open.
Yeah.
Have
you
ever
coming,
done that?
James?
Yeah.
You can join us.
Yeah, you can.
Go on.
Come
You
on
have
in,
something to
man.
say.
Sorry about that, y'all. I was looking at the wrong lineup there. I was thinking I had
It's
more
all
time
good.
than that.
It
You know,
happens.
I was just, really just lost in the world of weather
You
over
were.
there.
It's very
but
important.
You're always hard work, man.
I gotta
So,
say,
did you hear what we said, though?
yeah, sneezing with your eyes open.
Yeah. A girl on TikTok tried it. She said her eyes didn't pop out of her head. So, good news, right?
Good news indeed.
You know
right?
what's funny is I have actually thought about this when I've been driving. Because I've had to sneeze when I've been driving
Yeah.
before, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I mean, obviously it's just for like a second, but now you know. I guess I've never really thought about it though. It's just kind of a reaction.
I mean, that takes you out of business for like a good second or
It
two.
does,
And it's just
too.
like,
Yeah.
I'm living life dangerously over
Yeah.
here, but
I blow my back out sneezing.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
Powerful.
wild.
I know. I'm like, and I know. It happens.
Wow.
Just wait till you get my age, man, okay?
That's
But
wild.
it happens, yeah. But I've never kept my eyes open. I don't know, maybe I'll try it. Huh? Why not? Yeah?
Blowing the back out from
blowing your
sneezing.
back out, man.
I can't
Hey,
get over
don't wanna
that.
do that.
Just wait. One time it'll happen, and they're like, man, Lawrence.
I sure hope not.
I hope it doesn't for either of y'all either.
Lawrence is having a good time on this
I am,
Monday,
man.
aren't you, bud?
Why not, man? It's almost 6:30.